Hi viewers, welcome back to A to Z Bodyform. This video is all about the best juices for weight loss. Weight loss is never easy, especially in today's day and age where we are surrounded by fast food restaurants, junk food advertisements and many other items that aren't conducive to losing weight. However, it doesn't have to be hard at all. You can lose weight quite easily if you incorporate the right foods into your diet. If you're struggling with your weight loss journey, try out some of these 10 top juices for weight loss. Let's get started. Number 10, citrus infused juice. Whether you love lemons, limes or oranges, citrus fruits are excellent sources of vitamin C. Just one orange contains 11% of your recommended daily intake. These little beauties come with a variety of other health benefits too. They're high in fibre and limonene. Limonene is an antioxidant that has been linked to reduced risk of certain cancers and helps boost liver detoxification enzymes. The sugar content in fruit juice can be misleading, especially regarding fructose content. Fructose, found naturally in fruit, is processed differently by our bodies than glucose, which comes from sugars. Fructose doesn't trigger insulin production as glucose does, so it doesn't make us feel full. This means we can consume more calories without feeling satisfied. 1 glass of orange juice will provide you with around 100 calories, while 2 tablespoons of fresh squeeze will only give you around 40 calories. Number 9, carrot, apple and ginger juice. Carrots are loaded with fibre, which is crucial for keeping you full and satisfied. Carrots have pectin, a fibre that adds bulk to your diet and you'll stay fuller longer. Ginger root is thought to help boost fat burning, which helps curb hunger. Just be sure to add a splash of water to keep everything moving through your digestive system. You can also add other veggies like spinach or kale if you want more greens in your juice. And feel free to adjust the recipe depending on what you find at your local market. If they don't carry carrots, try using fennel instead. It has similar benefits and tastes great in juice. Or switch out an apple for pear. It's an equally tasty alternative. All 3 of these ingredients will give you an antioxidant boost and loads of vitamins A and C. Number 8, fennel, orange and pear juice. Fennel is a good source of vitamins A and C and potassium, packed with fibre which helps you feel full on fewer calories. Fennel also helps to regulate digestion. Enjoy it in raw salads or cooked as part of an entree. Eating fruits like oranges and pears can help reduce your risk of heart disease and cancer because they contain bioactive compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects. Research has shown that people who regularly eat foods containing polyphenols are less likely to become very sick from heart disease or cancer than those who do not regularly consume fruits and vegetables containing polyphenols. The high levels of fibre found in pear juice will keep you feeling fuller longer, so drink up. Number 7, pineapple ginger juice. Drinking pineapple ginger juice is a great way to boost metabolism and kickstart digestion. Pineapple juice is packed with enzymes that aid in healthy digestion, and ginger contains active compounds that help eliminate toxins, reduce inflammation and get rid of bloating. This combo will keep you feeling refreshed all day long. Many studies have shown that ginger may reduce belly fat storage when taken before meals. Add some fresh pineapple juice to your diet and say goodbye to bloat. You can also try other ingredients like beetroot or spinach, which help with detoxification and weight loss. Drink it twice daily, preferably morning and evening, on an empty stomach for best results. The trick is to stay hydrated throughout. It helps flush out impurities from your body and keeps you satisfied longer than usual so that you don't feel hungry soon after drinking it. Also, keep yourself well hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water every day. If you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing for us to bring you more content to help you live your best life. Number 6, grapefruit juice. It is made by squeezing pink grapefruits, mixing them with a little water and drinking it on an empty stomach helps kickstart your body's fat burning process. It's important only to have juice on an empty stomach so that you aren't sabotaging yourself by eating too many calories at once. Adding lemon juice and stevia to your grapefruit juice gives it some added oomph, so you're not left with a sour taste in your mouth. This is a great option if you want something that tastes sweet but has fewer calories than most fruits. You can also try white grapefruit juice, which tends to be lower in sugar than pink. However, be careful about drinking too much citrus juice, as it can cause digestive problems such as nausea or heartburn. Drinking plenty of water while consuming these juices will help prevent dehydration and headaches later on down the road. Number 5 is pomegranate raspberry juice. Pomegranate raspberries contain 6 grams of fibre per cup. They are a good source of vitamin C. Raspberry juice is very tasty, but it's also rich in antioxidants, making it one of your top 10 juices for weight loss. It can reduce stress levels as well. Be sure to buy 100% fruit juice rather than concentrate, otherwise you'll just be consuming empty calories. You may even want to take a pomegranate supplement, as it might just have an added benefit in protecting your heart and bones. Mix half water with half raspberry juice and add ice cubes to make a quick, healthy drink. This will provide you with a refreshing drink for plenty of health benefits. Number 4 is strawberry limeade. With its vitamin C, antioxidants and flavour, limeade is a fruit juice that is healthy and tasty. It may help with weight loss because it contains pectin fibre, which has been found to promote fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. Pectin fibre can also lower bad cholesterol. This drink will provide you with around 28 grams of carbohydrates per serving, but only 17 grams of those carbs will come from sugar. To make strawberry limeade, you'll need 1 cup of fresh strawberries, 1 tablespoon of grated lime zest, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 16 ounces of water, 4 ice cubes, 1/4 teaspoon of honey. Blend all ingredients until smooth and serve over ice if desired. If using frozen strawberries instead of fresh, increase the water by 8 ounces. Number 3 is strawberry basil limeade. Strawberries are among some of the most nutritious fruits, chock full of antioxidants that help combat free radicals. A medium-sized strawberry contains just 33 calories and is a good source of vitamin C and potassium. Basil is a great detoxifier in all forms. Still, it's particularly beneficial when consumed with lime juice, as the two work together to create an effective cleansing drink that will help you lose excess water weight. Fresh limes contain about 88% water combined with basil. You get a 1-to-1 ratio of water to juice. This recipe calls for 10 basil leaves, but you can add more if you have them on hand. Number 2, grapefruit tomato water. Tomatoes are packed with flavonoids and lycopene, 2 anti-inflammatory plant nutrients that help reduce inflammation in your gut and fight heart disease. Because of their vitamin C content, grapefruits can also boost your metabolism by up to 18% if you drink them on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. To make grapefruit tomato water, combine 5 ounces of fresh grapefruit juice with half a cup of chopped tomatoes and add ice cubes in a pitcher. Refrigerate overnight. Not only will you be drinking delicious and healthy juice, but eating tomatoes has been proven to improve bone health, combat cancer, and help prevent arthritis. You may want to use a juicer or blender, as blending it helps break down cell walls and release all those beneficial vitamins. Drinking fruit and vegetable juices is one of the favourite ways to get a daily dose of nutrition. There are so many options depending on what fruits or vegetables you prefer, or even if you want something savoury. One benefit is that they're portable. Okay viewers, we've arrived at number 1, and it is cucumber juice. Cucumber juice is just as it sounds, fresh, sweet cucumbers blended with a bit of water. Drinking cucumber juice can help curb your appetite. The cucumber has a diuretic effect, and it's high in water, which fills you up and reduces hunger pains. Mixing a little lemon into your cup can further boost its slimming effects. Cucumbers are an excellent source of potassium, an electrolyte that may help you feel less hungry by helping regulate fluid balance in your body. Plus, they're low in calories. 1 cup of sliced cucumbers contains only 16 calories. This 1 cup serving provides 2 grams of fibre and almost 4% of your daily recommended intake, more than 400 milligrams of potassium, about 9%. There's no need to peel them either. Give them a good rinse and chop before adding them to your juicer. Juicing is one of the best ways to detox your body and lose weight. This is because it cleanses your body of all toxins, eliminates bloating, and reduces excess water in your system. However, with so many options on how to juice, it can be hard to choose what to buy. We have created a list of 10 top juices that are great for your health and will help you slim down. We recommend consuming 1 glass each day and alternating between these different juices throughout the week. Make sure you drink them before 8 p.m. or they won't be as effective. We hope you enjoyed learning about how to lose weight. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. We will get back to you as soon as possible.